Have you ever wondered what separates the best stand mixer from the rest? Is it the power, the bowl size, or the attachments that make all the difference? Today, we're diving into some of the best mixers available right now, each with unique strengths that can transform the way you cook and bake. And if you'd like to check the current prices, you'll find links for each product in the description box below. Let's start with the Aucma 6.5 Quart Stand Mixer, a model that immediately impresses with its generous bowl size. At 6.5 quarts, you'll find yourself able to prepare large batches of dough, batter, or cream without constantly stopping to scrape down the sides or divide recipes into smaller portions. The stainless steel bowl not only looks sleek, but also provides durability and resistance to stains or odors, which is perfect when you're alternating between sweet and savory recipes. Its tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients as you go, and you'll appreciate the smooth motion of locking the head into place when you're ready to mix. When you begin using the Aucma, you'll notice how the 660-watt motor effortlessly powers through everything from whipped cream to thick bread dough. The 6 available speeds give you the flexibility to start gently when incorporating flour or ramp up to higher speeds for whipping egg whites into glossy peaks. The pulse function adds another layer of control, letting you quickly combine ingredients without overmixing. This is especially useful when you're folding in delicate ingredients like berries or chocolate chips, as it allows you to maintain the texture of your mix. The attachments that come with the Aucma, typically a whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater, expand its versatility, giving you the tools to approach nearly any recipe with confidence. You'll find that the whisk aerates beautifully, the dough hook kneads with consistent strength, and the beater achieves that perfect balance of thorough mixing without overworking your ingredients. The splash guard with a pouring spout is a small but thoughtful addition, keeping your counters clean while still making it easy to add ingredients mid-mix. What really stands out when you use the Aucma is the sense of control it gives you. From the intuitive speed dial to the stability of its design, you'll feel supported whether you're a beginner baker or an experienced cook tackling ambitious recipes. The combination of power, capacity, and thoughtful design makes it a strong contender among the best stand mixers, especially if you love creating big, beautiful batches of food for your family or guests. Now, let's move on to the KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5 Quart Stand Mixer, which offers a completely different kind of appeal. This model is designed for those who love the performance of a KitchenAid but want something more compact for smaller kitchens or lighter everyday use. The 3.5 quart stainless steel bowl is perfectly sized for making up to 5 dozen cookies in a single batch, which is more than enough for most households, yet the mixer itself takes up less counter space and is lighter to move around. When you first use the Artisan Mini, you'll notice how its tilt head design makes it easy to work with. You can quickly lift the head to add ingredients or swap out attachments, then lock it down for steady mixing. Despite its smaller size, the mixer still has 10 speeds, giving you the same level of precision you'd expect from larger KitchenAid models. This means you can slowly incorporate flour at the lowest setting or whip cream at higher speeds with ease, all while enjoying consistent results. The attachments included with the Artisan Mini, such as the flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip, are designed to handle a wide variety of tasks. You'll find that the flat beater is ideal for cookie doughs and cake batters. The dough hook kneads bread with steady strength, and the wire whip creates airy peaks for meringues or whipped cream. And because this mixer is compatible with over 10 optional attachments, you can expand its capabilities to make pasta, spiralized vegetables, or even homemade ice cream. What makes the Artisan Mini especially appealing is the way it balances performance with convenience. You'll enjoy the same durable metal construction and long-lasting design that KitchenAid is known for, but in a size that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. For anyone searching for the best kitchen mixer that won't overwhelm their counter space, this model provides the perfect balance of compact design and impressive performance. Next, let's take a closer look at the Cuisinart 5.5 Quart Stand Mixer, a model that emphasizes both power and precision. With its 500-watt motor, this mixer delivers the strength you need for heavy doughs in large batches, while the 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl provides ample space for mixing. The die-cast metal construction gives it a solid, professional feel, and the tilt-back head makes it easy to access the bowl and change attachments. As you start to use the Cuisinart, you'll appreciate its 12 different speed settings, which give you a remarkable level of control. Whether you're gently folding ingredients or whipping at high speed, you'll find that the motor responds smoothly, allowing you to fine-tune your mixing process. This flexibility means you can achieve results that are tailored to each recipe, from delicate cake batters to hearty bread doughs. The included attachments, a chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and splash guard with pour spout, equip you for a wide range of tasks right out of the box. The whisk is excellent for aerating mixtures. The dough hook kneads with consistent power, and the flat paddle ensures even mixing. The splash guard is particularly useful when working with dry ingredients, keeping your kitchen clean while still offering a convenient pour spout for adding liquids. Cuisinart also offers a variety of optional attachments, such as a pasta roller, meat grinder, and ice cream maker, which can transform this mixer into a true multi-purpose kitchen tool. When you're working with the Cuisinart, you'll feel the combination of power and precision in every step, and the polished stainless steel bowl adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. It's easy to see why this model is often mentioned in the best mixer review conversations, as it combines versatility with a professional-grade feel. Now let's turn to the Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer, a model that immediately stands out for its unique design and sheer capacity. With a 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer is built to handle large-scale baking and cooking projects, and its powerful 500-watt motor ensures that it can tackle even the heaviest doughs. The belt-driven transmission provides the torque needed to knead up to 14 loaves of whole grain bread or mix up to 34 dozen cookies in a single batch, making it a true workhorse. When you start using the Bosch, you'll notice the difference in its mixing system. The dual beaters provide a triple whipping action that creates exceptionally light and airy results, whether you're whipping egg whites or cream. The 4 speeds, along with a pulse function, give you precise control, and the motor's efficiency means you can whip as little as a single egg white or mash up to 10 pounds of potatoes with equal ease. The included accessories, wire whips with a plastic whip drive, a dough hook, a 2-piece pouring shield and lid, and a dough hook extender, expand its versatility. The dough hook, in particular, is designed to handle large amounts of dough without straining the motor, while the whips excel at both small and large tasks. The pouring shield helps keep your kitchen tidy, especially when working with flour or other dry ingredients. What makes the Bosch Universal Plus especially exciting is the sense of freedom it gives you to scale your recipes up or down. Whether you're preparing food for a large gathering or just experimenting with smaller portions, this mixer adapts seamlessly. With its reputation as one of the top-rated stand mixers, it's a model that gives you both power and flexibility, making it a favorite among serious bakers and home cooks alike. Finally, let's revisit KitchenAid with the Classic Series 4.5 Quart Stand Mixer, a model that has become a staple in countless kitchens. With its sturdy metal construction and 59 touch points around the bowl, this mixer is designed to deliver consistent mixing results every time. The 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl is large enough to mix up to 8 dozen cookies in one batch, making it ideal for everyday use while still offering plenty of capacity for entertaining. When you use the Classic Series, you'll appreciate the tilt head design, which gives you easy access to the bowl and makes it simple to add ingredients as you go. The head locks firmly in place during mixing, ensuring stability even when working with heavier doughs. The 10 available speeds offer a wide range of options, from gentle stirring to vigorous whipping, so you can tailor your process to each recipe. The included attachments, the coated flat beater, coated dough hook, and 6-wire whip, equip you for a variety of tasks right from the start. The flat beater is perfect for mixing cake batters and cookie doughs. The dough hook kneads bread with steady power, and the whip creates light, airy textures for meringues or whipped cream. Because the bowl is dishwasher safe, Cleanup is quick and easy, allowing you to focus more on the joy of cooking. What you'll find most rewarding about the KitchenAid Classic Series is its balance of simplicity and performance. It's a mixer that feels intuitive to use, yet powerful enough to handle a wide range of recipes. Among the best kitchen mixer options available, it offers the reliability and durability that KitchenAid is known for, making it a trusted choice for anyone who wants a dependable tool to elevate their baking. So, which of these best stand mixers is right for you? Each one brings something unique, whether it's capacity, compact size, or versatility, and all of them can elevate your kitchen experience. If you'd like to check the current prices for any of the mixers we covered in this best mixer review, you'll find those links in the description box below. Thanks for watching and happy mixing!